Welcome to Ministry of Hacking. Like and subscribe for amazing ethical hacking content. Imagine this. You're at a coffee shop sipping your latte and browsing the internet. You connect to the free Wi-Fi, unaware of the hidden dangers lurking in the digital shadows. Hackers, armed with sophisticated tools, could be sniffing out your every move, capturing your passwords, and stealing your personal information. Wi-Fi hacking, once the domain of tech-savvy experts, has become increasingly accessible. This is due in part to the availability of powerful open-source operating systems like Kali Linux. Kali Linux provides a vast arsenal of tools designed to exploit vulnerabilities in Wi-Fi networks and gain unauthorized access. The world of cybersecurity is a constant cat-and-mouse game. As security measures advance, so do the tactics employed by malicious actors. Understanding the methods and tools used in Wi-Fi hacking is crucial for individuals and organizations seeking to protect their digital assets. Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution specifically designed for penetration testing and security auditing. It's a favorite among ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals, but it's also a powerful weapon in the hands of malicious actors. What makes Kali Linux so potent is its extensive collection of pre-installed tools. These tools cater to various cybersecurity tasks, including vulnerability analysis, wireless attacks, and password cracking. This makes it a one-stop shop for anyone looking to probe and exploit Wi-Fi networks. One of the key strengths of Kali Linux is its user-friendly interface. Even users with limited Linux experience can quickly grasp the basics and start using the pre-installed tools. This ease of use has contributed to its popularity among both seasoned hackers and newcomers to the world of cybersecurity. Fluxion is a social engineering tool that leverages human psychology to trick users into revealing their Wi-Fi passwords. It works by creating a fake captive portal, a web page that typically requires users to log in to access a public Wi-Fi network. Imagine this. You connect to a Wi-Fi network called Free Coffee Shop Wi-Fi. A login page pops up prompting you to enter the Wi-Fi password. You enter the password, unaware that the login page is fake and controlled by a hacker running Fluxion. Fluxion captures the entered password, granting the attacker access to the Wi-Fi network. The unsuspecting victim remains oblivious, none the wiser that their credentials have been compromised. Fluxion highlights the effectiveness of social engineering attacks, demonstrating how easily humans can be manipulated into becoming unwitting accomplices in their own demise. Airgeddon is a powerful tool that exploits a vulnerability in the Wi-Fi protocol known as deauthentication attacks. These attacks involve sending deauthentication packets to a Wi-Fi network, forcing devices to disconnect and reconnect. When a device reconnects, Airgeddon captures the handshake, a series of packets exchanged between the device and the router during the authentication process. This handshake contains the information needed to crack the Wi-Fi password. Airgeddon automates the process of sending deauthentication packets and capturing handshakes, making it relatively easy for attackers to obtain the information they need to launch further attacks. This highlights the importance of using strong Wi-Fi encryption protocols, such as WPA2 or WPA3, to mitigate the risk of deauthentication attacks. Wi-Fi Fisher takes social engineering to the next level by creating fake access points that mimic legitimate Wi-Fi networks. Imagine you're at an airport and you see a Wi-Fi network called Airport Free Wi-Fi. You connect to it thinking it's the official airport network. However, this network is a trap set by a hacker running Wi-Fi Fisher. Once you connect, you're presented with a legitimate-looking captive portal that asks for your email address, credit card information, or other sensitive data. Unsuspecting victims readily hand over their information, believing they're on a secure network. Wi-Fi Fisher captures this data, providing attackers with a treasure trove of personal information that can be used for identity theft, financial fraud, or other malicious purposes. Section 6. Aircrack-Ang, Cracking the Code. Aircrack-Ang is a suite of tools used for testing Wi-Fi network security. It's widely used by ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals to identify vulnerabilities and assess the strength of Wi-Fi passwords. However, in the wrong hands, Aircrack-Ang can be used to crack Wi-Fi passwords and gain unauthorized access to networks. Aircrack-Ang works by capturing data packets transmitted over a Wi-Fi network. It then uses sophisticated algorithms to analyze these packets and attempt to crack the Wi-Fi password. The success rate of aircrack-ing depends on factors like the strength of the password and the amount of data captured. While aircrack-ing can be a powerful tool for cracking Wi-Fi passwords, it's important to note that it's not foolproof. Strong passwords, those that are long, complex, and use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, can take a significant amount of time and computing power to crack. Section 7. The importance of strong Wi-Fi security. The tools and techniques discussed above highlight the importance of strong Wi-Fi security. In today's interconnected world, where Wi-Fi networks are ubiquitous, it's crucial to take steps to protect your personal and financial information from falling into the wrong hands. Using strong, unique passwords for your Wi-Fi network is paramount. A strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption on your router. These encryption protocols provide a higher level of security compared to older protocols like WiFi. Regularly update your router's firmware. Firmware updates often include security patches that address known vulnerabilities. By keeping your router's firmware up to date, you can minimize the risk of exploitation. Section 8. Ethical hacking, a force for good. It's important to remember that not all hacking is malicious. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their skills to identify security vulnerabilities and help organizations improve their security posture. They play a crucial role in making the digital world a safer place. Ethical hackers use the same tools and techniques as malicious hackers, but with permission and for a good cause. By simulating real-world attacks, they can identify weaknesses in systems and networks before they can be exploited by malicious actors. Ethical hacking is a growing field, with numerous certifications and training programs available. If you're interested in a career in cybersecurity, ethical hacking is a rewarding and in-demand path to consider. Section 9. Join the Ministry of Hacking. This is just a glimpse into the fascinating world of Wi-Fi hacking. If you're eager to delve deeper, explore advanced techniques, and stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, Ministry of Hacking. Together, we'll unravel the mysteries of ethical hacking, empower you with the knowledge to protect yourself and your organization, and explore the ethical implications of this powerful craft. Knowledge is power, and in the digital age, cybersecurity awareness is paramount. Remember, the best way to protect yourself from hackers is to understand how they operate. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together. Subscribe to Ministry of Hacking and join the movement to make the digital world a safer place.